Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. Going somewhere? Ah, you're just driving around. Yep, today's a perfect day for a ride. Oh, what happened? Let's find out. Wow, it's clear now. Guys, the traffic light is broken, and that's why the traffic stopped. Don't be sad. Let's think of a way to solve this problem. Jacques, do you know what to do? What have you come up with? You're going to become a policeman. That's a great idea. But let's see what we have in our garage. We need a police vehicle. Let's pick a suitable car. So which one are we going to turn into a police car? This one? Maybe this one. Then this one. Now we have to do a paint job on it. Let's paint it white first. And now add blue lines. Okay, now the door. We'll draw a beautiful yellow star on it. The car is ready. Nicholas, did we forget about something? Right, a flashing light. Jacques, this is not the right place for it. Jacques, this is ridiculous. Yep, this is the right place for it. It's time to go and bring order to the streets of the city. Good job, Jacques. Everything is in order now, Jacques. The traffic jam is no more. But you don't have to stand here forever. Oh, the traffic light is working again. Great job, Nicholas. You saved the day. But the traffic light is on now, and you can have some rest. Let's recall what we've done today. The traffic light broke on the crossing, and the traffic jam appeared. We used a policeman cap. We took a plain sedan and made a police car out of it. And the problem was solved. Wonderful job, guys. And now you can continue your ride. Jacques, the flashing light is not needed anymore. You can turn it off. Great. Good day to you, guys. Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. What do you want to do today? Ooh, look at that beauty. Are you going to ride it? Hop in, then. We're going to have a wonderful ride. Other cars must seem so small from a truck this big. Let this tiny car pass, Jacques. Little ones should go first, you know. Way to go, Jacques! Guys, look! The duckling is in trouble! How did you get there, Mr. Duckling? Little ducklings can't fly. Oh, that's what happened. Hop onto our truck, Mr. Duckling. Don't be upset, guys. We need to think of something. Jacques, any ideas? That's right, Jacques. We need a fire truck. Let's hurry to the garage, guys. Let's turn our vehicle into a fire truck. First, we'll remove this big back from our truck. The fire truck is supposed to have a ladder. Let's set it in place. And now, we need to do a paint job on the truck. But which color should we use? No, something's not right about that. Nicholas, do you know which color a fire truck should be? Great! Red fits perfectly! Let's paint the door white. We'll draw a yellow star on the door. We need flashing lights. No, that's not exactly it. Yep, those are the ones. The truck appears to be ready. Come on, guys, let's rescue the duckling. Everyone gives way to the fire truck with flashing lights turned on, even small cars. Get on the ladder, Mr. Duckling. Great! The duckling is safe now. Let's recall everything we've learned today. We saw a duckling in trouble. He was stuck in a tree. We took our truck and made a fire truck out of it. The long ladder helped us a lot. Yes, Jacques, and your fireman's helmet as well. Great! Bye, guys! Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. Are you busy, guys? Paul the duckling has dropped something on his foot. You can take him to the hospital. Thanks, guys. I knew I could count on you. Here we are, Paul. What happened to you? Oh, have you dropped a hammer on your foot? Poor thing. But that's okay. Jacques and Nicholas will take you to the hospital now. What's the matter? Don't you want to get in this car? What should we do? Do you have an idea, Jacques? I see. You're going to become an ambulance crew. We'll have to prepare a specialized car then. Well, let's turn this van into an ambulance, fast. We'll start with the appearance. Perfect. The car became so white. A red stripe is exactly what we need. But something is missing. A red cross, of course. And a flashing light. A very useful thing on the road. The ambulance is ready. And where is Jacques, Nicholas? You've brought a first aid kit, Jacques. Good job! Do you want to take a box of paints as well? Are you going to draw? Well, should we hurry to our duckling? Perfect. Let's go then. And where's Nicholas, Jacques? Ah, he's an ER nurse today, and already inside the van. Ooh, these cars are moving so slowly. Let's turn on the flashing lights and see what happens. That's what I'm talking about! Here we are, Paul. We'll get you to the hospital now. I hope the duckling will be okay. What should we do while waiting for the news? Great! Let's draw! You are so talented, Nicholas. How are you, Paul? Just a bruise? That's great. It means that you can go back to repairing your stool. See you guys! Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. A great start to a great day. How did you get here, guys? Wow, what a cool tandem. Jacques, did you make it? That's Hooligan Lee. I wonder what he forgot here. Oh no, guys! Hooligan Lee has stolen your bike! What are we going to do? Excellent idea, Jacques! The police don't sleep. Let's catch this thief. Come on, Jacques, step on it. Great! We've almost caught him! Hey guys, are you all right? Ugh, vicious hooligan. Oh, it will be harder to catch Lee here. Why didn't we think about the siren before? Oh no, guys, be careful! What a pity. Good that we have a pump. You've tried a bit too hard. Now it's much better. But how are we going to find Lee? He's probably too far away by now. There are so many useful things in police cars. Ah, there he is! Well, our car is definitely faster than a bike. Surrender, Lee! You won't get away from the police! That's what Lee was hoping for. Yes, Lee can't do without his second pilot. Jacques, what are you doing? You're helping the criminal. Nicholas, you're our only hope. Surrender, Lee! You're surrounded! What a breathtaking pursuit we had today. Jacques, Nicholas, you're a real policeman team. What should we do with the criminal? Bring him to the police station? Then good luck, and see you soon. Hi, Paul. Are you playing with a lighter? That's a very bad idea. Oh no! Whew, seems that we've gotten away with it. Oh no! Fire! Fire! Jacques! Nicholas! Paul's house is burning! We need to fight the fire quickly! Jacques! Put on the lights! Everyone will let you pass! Jacques, fire trucks can be very fast. Fire doesn't tolerate procrastination. Jacques, stop! Let's get to work! Jacques, do you know what you're doing? Nicholas, help! Well done, guys. Seems that we're getting there. Jacques, don't be distracted. That's it. The fire is extinguished. Well done, guys. But it seems that Paul's house has burned down completely. Don't be disappointed, Paul. The boys will help you repair your house. Ready! Well done, guys. Maybe Paul will make you a cup of tea. Well, that's Paul. The main thing is that you've helped him. See you soon!
Fearless, invincible, elusive. Wearing a cool hat and shades. His codename is Agent 00 Duck. His target is Crazy Professor Quack. Oops. Looks like the special agent needs a new special ride. Don't be sad. I know someone who will help you. Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. Yeah, they look goofy, but believe me, they are pros. Guys, Agent Duck needs your help. You shouldn't be so nervous, guys. Well, are you ready to assemble a spy supercar for the special agent? Let's hurry up and get to it then. Okay, guys, where should we start? Hey, I can't see anything. Yeah, I get it. It's a secret ride and you're supposed to make it in total secret. Let's look at the result then. That's not bad. Let's try it out. Professor Quack, you better watch out. And there he is. Give up, villain. What's that? Ah, that's oil. What are we going to do, Jacques? A water cannon? That's slick! What do you think of that, Quack? You don't seem to give up easily. Look out, Jacques! The spikes! Awesome! Spikes are nothing for wheels like this. Haha! He can get away in the dark. Turn on the superhero lights, Jacques. He smashed them. What do we do? Of course, night vision is a must in a spy car. Great job, Jacques. What? Oil again? Brilliant, Jacques. Oh, and what is that? It's a cannon! And it's shooting cakes! That's ingenious! And I think you've cornered the villain. There's a wall ahead, Quack. You've nowhere to go. He's smart. What will you do, Jacques? Wow! That's technology! Give up, Quack. That's enough of your tricks. You're done! Congratulations, guys. Nice job. He's fleeing! We'll find you anyway, Quack. Are you tired of your cars being unreliable, guys? Let's build an unbreakable car, then. Okay, which body type will we choose as a base? No, Jacques, this one won't be reliable at all. We need something stronger. A perfect choice. Let's work on this one. Armored cover is just what we need. And what about the bumper? Just like that. The only thing left is to install stronger wheels. Yep, powerful. It looks really cool. But it seems like it's lacking a cool matching paint job. This reminds me of someone. You've outdone yourself today, Jacques. Well, it's time for a test drive. The jury will help to assess Nicholas's and Jacques' car's durability. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. And where's Jacques and Nicholas? Oh, a fall from the top of a skyscraper? No car can live through that. The jury can't even look at this. Jacques, Nicholas, are you ready? Buckle up then. Good luck, Jacques. That's amazing! But how will your car handle the trial by water? Are you ready? Let's go! Wow! Only huge submarines can handle this kind of pressure. The car is okay even at the sea bottom. Whoa! Let's hurry back. The jury's in awe, except for Mrs. Duck. The trial by water is passed. How about fire? A volcano? No, that's too much. Stop! I was totally against it. Mrs. Duck looks unimpressed. I hope that's Jacques and Nicholas. That's fantastic! Yeah, guys, you've created a truly invincible car. What is it? Aren't the trials over yet? Mrs. Duck wants to stress test the car herself now. Oh no! What is she doing? Yeah, that was hardcore, but the car's okay, as you can see. Are you happy now, Mrs. Duck? Incredible! Oh, Mrs. Duck has medals for you. The invincible Jacques and Nicholas. Congratulations, guys. Oops, I hope no one saw that. Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. Are you going somewhere, guys? It looks like you're going on a picnic. Apparently, Jacques has an idea. And it doesn't fit in the trunk. Well, that's a spare tire. What are you doing, Jacques? Jacques, are you sure that the rackets are more important than the spare? Maybe we just need a bigger car. Well, let's go then. So comfortable, isn't it, guys? We'll get to the park in no time. Oops, the tire's flat. We can't keep going like that. We've got to do something. Guys, look at all the cars behind. We need to signal them somehow that we can't go any further at this time. Oh, Nicholas has pressed the warning signal button. Good job, Nicholas. But that's not it, right? That won't do, Jacques. Rackets are hard to notice and other drivers can run them over. You're up, Nicholas. Wow, the emergency warning triangle. Good job, Nicholas. Jacques, I don't think this is a good idea. So in this case, we'll need another car to tow this broken one. Do you agree? Well, let's hurry to the garage. Guys, any ideas which car you'll need? Yeah, Jacques, the tractor's got this huge blade, but I don't think it's a good idea. Any suggestions, Nicholas? But how will we drag the car up there? Guys, that's a tow truck. We'll be able to take the car back to the garage with its help. Let's go. It's time to load the car, guys. I believe that's not quite how it's done, Jacques. Be careful, Jacques. Yeah, well, Nicholas, did you enjoy the ride? Come on, Nicholas. Jacques didn't mean to harm you. Well, guys, it's time to go back to the garage and change the tire. Guys, and what about the picnic? Did you forget all about it? I think there's still time to go to the park. How about we take this pickup truck this time? It's really spacious and will fit everything we need in it. It's good that you finally made it to the picnic, right, guys? Oh, Jacques, sorry I distracted you. See you guys.
Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. Hi, Bob. What are you looking at? Oh, are you going to build a house for Bob? Excellent. Let's start building. Right, Jacques. Safety is the most important thing in construction. And you, Bob, go and get the paint for your future house. Let's take a look at our construction site. What a bumpy site. It needs to be leveled. Jacques, do you know which car we should choose for that? A tractor is an irreplaceable machine at the construction site. Go, Jacques! You're doing well! Stop, Jacques! The site is smooth enough! Don't worry, we'll have fun. Now it's the excavator's turn. We need to dig a hole for the house basement. Guys, you're doing great. Nicholas, do you like to be an excavator operator? Jacques, we're going to dig out a dinosaur like this. It's not a part of our plan. Let's get down to the house basement. We'll need the cement. What a beautiful concrete mixer. Now let's pour the cement into the hole for the basement. Jacques, are you sure? Okay, Nicholas. Press the button. Jacques, can you get out of the cement by yourself? Well, you better not go up in the cabin looking like this. That's better. Let's bring timber and a roof for our house. What a spacious dump truck you have! Let's build the house then. What teamwork! The only thing left is to set up the roof. Yes, we'll have to work hard on it. Wow, the magical sandwich! Jacques, will you share the recipe? Such a beautiful house. I hope that duckling Bob will like it. And here comes Bob. How do you like the new house? Now all we need is to paint the house. You bought the paint, Bob, didn't you? I don't know about you, but I am personally satisfied with the result. Don't worry, Bob. We'll carry this soil away on a dump truck. Not a bad idea. See you soon, friends. Hi, Nicholas. Where's Jacques? Oh, you've decided to make a big cleanup and throw all the scrap metal away. I think we'll need a garbage truck. Oh, there it is. Let's load the garbage. Nice teamwork, my friends. It's a pleasure to watch you. Jacques, seems that you threw Nicholas away with the garbage. Nicholas, you're a real garbage man. Guys, let's collect the scrap metal from our neighbors and then head off to the recycling plant. Hello, Mrs. Duck. Is your electric stove broken? The guys will take it to the scrap metal processing plant. Nicholas, let's check if there's anything left inside. Something yummy. Seems that something yummy is spoiled. That's the right decision. Seems that the boys didn't have a good breakfast this morning. But Mrs. Duck is in good shape today. Thank you, Mrs. Duck. What a pity. This duck will be left without a beautiful hairstyle today. Hey, just don't get carried away with the sweets. Yes, it's always difficult to part from an old dear friend. Guys, look! Someone threw a garden wheelbarrow away. The city will become cleaner with our help. Guys, it seems that the duckling came to take his wheelbarrow. It needs to be returned to its owner. I agree, Nicholas. And now let Jacques climb into the garbage truck. Jacques, be careful! Phew, we found it. Well, now he's offended. Jacques, it's as if you've never been in the garbage. Wow, you have a big enough beret, Jacques. Now we can go to the recycling plant. Here we are. Bring the scrap metal inside. But where's your garbage truck, guys? Have you handed it over to the recycling plant as well? Ah, you were given a bicycle and a scooter made out of scrap metal as a gift? Turns out that throwing the garbage away is very useful. See you soon, friends. What a lovely day today. Oh, how come? Well. And how are the ducklings supposed to cross the road now? Don't worry, Mrs. Duck. I think I know what to do. Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. Feeling okay as far as I can see. Still resting. yourselves together! Something happened over there, guys. We need your help. The road sign, "Beware the Ducklings," fell down and Mrs. Duck can't cross the road. We need to reinforce the sign with concrete so that it will never fall again. Let's hurry to the garage. We need to choose a car to get the concrete to the site, guys. I suggest that you pick this concrete mixer. It looks like Nicholas agrees with me. Do you agree, Jacques? So, what do you suggest? Are you serious, Jacques? Okay, let's do this. Let's drive concrete in a convertible. Did you choose the convertible to make Mrs. Duck like you, Jacques? Well, okay. Let's fill the convertible with concrete. But where are we supposed to pour concrete, Jacques? Are you serious? Whatever, pal. Let's go then. This is the spot. Jacques, Nicholas, get to work. What happened, Jacques? You're stuck in concrete and can't get out? Unbelievable. Any ideas, Jacques? Well, are you going to hold the sign? We need to fix the sign and not just hold it, Jacques. And now we need to get some concrete here, Jacques. Go get the concrete mixer. Okay, good job. Hold the sign, Jacques, and you'll pour the concrete, Nicholas. Well, there you go. Stop. Okay, Jacques, everything is in order now. Oh, what a twist! Be careful, Jacques, or we'll have to fix the sign again.